Top 5 Best Air Fryer with Rotisserie. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. Chefman ExacTemp 12-quart 5-in-1 Smart Air Fryer. This isn't just another air fryer, it's your kitchen's command center. The Chefman ExacTemp 12-quart 5-in-1 redefines convenience with its integrated smart thermometer, ensuring perfect doneness without guesswork. Ideal for busy families, meal preppers, and culinary enthusiasts, it combines air frying, roasting, baking, dehydrating, and rotisserie functions in one sleek, XL convection oven. With 28 intuitive touchscreen presets, switching between crispy wings and slow-roasted chicken is effortless, no manual timers or constant checking. Unlike bulky competitors, its compact design maximizes counter space while delivering restaurant-quality results. Auto shutoff adds peace of mind, especially during hectic weeknights. Sure, the learning curve for all 5 functions takes a minute, and it's not whisper quiet, but that's the trade-off for serious power. For anyone craving speed, precision, and versatility without sacrificing flavor, this black powerhouse delivers. Your kitchen just got smarter. Number 4. Cosori 11-in-1 Air Fryer Oven, 13QT Compact Multi-Cooker with Rotisserie. This isn't just another air fryer, it's a full kitchen powerhouse. The Cosori 11-in-1 Air Fryer Oven delivers crispy fries, juicy rotisserie chicken, and golden toast, all in one sleek 13-quart footprint that won't dominate your countertop. Perfect for busy professionals, small space dwellers, or anyone craving restaurant-quality meals without the clutter. Unlike bulky competitors, it combines air frying, baking, roasting, reheating, and even dehydrating, plus a built-in rotisserie function, with intuitive digital controls and 6 included accessories. That means faster cooking, easier cleanup, and more flavor with less oil. Whether you're meal prepping, hosting dinner, or just craving perfectly toasted bread, this combo handles it all. Yes, its compact size means you can't cook a whole turkey, but for everyday versatility and consistent results, it's unmatched. With a recipe book included, you'll be inspired from day one. Upgrade your kitchen routine without sacrificing space or performance. Number 3. Gourmia 14QT Digital Air Fryer and Rotisserie Oven. This air fryer doesn't just cook, it transforms your kitchen into a culinary command center. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, and flavor enthusiasts, the Gourmia 14QT all-in-one rotisserie oven delivers restaurant-quality results with zero guesswork. Unlike cramped countertop models, its spacious stainless steel interior handles whole chickens, sheet pans, and even dehydrated snacks simultaneously. The intuitive digital display offers 12 smart presets: roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, so you're never fumbling with temps or timers. Cleanup? Effortless. Every accessory is dishwasher safe. While it's larger than basic air fryers, that's the point, it replaces multiple appliances without sacrificing counter space. You'll savor crispy skin, juicy interiors, and perfectly caramelized edges every single time. This isn't just cooking. It's confidence, convenience, and control, all in one sleek, stainless steel powerhouse. Your best meals start here. Number 2. Emeril Lagasse Everyday 360 XL 9-in-1 Air Fryer. Crispy outside, juicy inside, without the guilt. That's the magic of the Emeril Lagasse Everyday 360 Stainless Steel Air Fryer. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, and flavor chasers, this powerhouse delivers restaurant-quality results at home. With 360 degrees quick cook technology, hot air circulates evenly for perfect browning every time, no flipping needed. Its XL capacity handles a whole chicken or 6 slices of toast, while 9-in-1 versatility means you can bake, rotisserie, broil, make pizza, slow cook, and more, 12 preset functions at your fingertips. Compared to basic air fryers, this one replaces multiple appliances, saving counter space and cleanup time. Whether you're crisping fries or roasting veggies, it's fast, flavorful, and fuss-free. Just note, the interior light turns off during cooking to save energy, so peek through the window if you're curious. For anyone serious about smart, delicious cooking, this isn't just an air fryer, it's your kitchen's new command center. Number 1. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer, XL 10L Capacity. This isn't just an air fryer, it's your kitchen's command center. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus replaces 6 appliances with precision-engineered versatility. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone craving crispy fries and juicy rotisserie chicken without the clutter. With 17 smart presets, an XL 10L capacity, and a crystal-clear viewing window, you'll roast, dehydrate, bake, and fry with restaurant-quality results, all while saving counter space. Unlike basic models that overcook or underperform, Chefman's convection tech delivers even heat distribution, and the auto shutoff ensures peace of mind. From golden brown wings to homemade beef jerky, it handles complex recipes with intuitive ease. One note: its generous size means it needs ample counter real estate, ideal for open kitchens, less so for tiny apartments. Upgrade your cooking game without sacrificing simplicity. This isn't convenience, it's culinary confidence, reimagined. Thanks for watching Best Air Fryer with Rotisserie. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.